I was here filming the rest of Born Just Now, the film we're about to see, last year this time. So I got a taste of BELDOCS. I'm honored to be presenting the film here. I saw some incredible documentaries last year. Last Men of Aleppo brought me to tears twice during the screening. Mladen's selection of films is outstanding. I'm looking forward to seeing Kedi and so many other films that I have read about all year and I didn't get to see at other festivals. So I was here. I started the film with Marta in 2016 in February in Belgrade. I've been here 3 other times shooting her. I also shot her in New York, in Houston, and in Paris. And it's been a journey for both of us. I got to know her. We have a mutual friend, Dr. Kathy Batista, who wrote a book about Marta performing the self when she did a solo exhibition in New York City in 2014. I was finishing a previous film about radical feminist performance. It's called The F Word. And Kathy originally said, why don't you include Marta? And she gave me an advance copy of the book for that exhibition. And I was looking at it and I said, you know what? She's not American, and she deserves her own film, given that most Americans know nothing about Yugoslavia, they know nothing about the Balkans, and I felt that her context is so important to what she does. She does performances that look back at the bombardment in 1999 through a performance which is captured in the film Lubov. She's got other performances where she's recognizing her grandfather who fought with the partisans, who loved Tito. Americans don't know anything about that. They believe Serbia and Yugoslavia was behind the Iron Curtain, and they never were. They broke with the Soviet Union in 1948, and I wanted to present an authentic portrait of an artist who is from this region and not clutter it with other people that have nothing to do with this history. So I had to do her own film, basically, a film just about Marta.